First we put that jib wib in there, right, and we do its thing. It does its thingy. Screw it in. Will it ever screw in? I don't know. Oh, you know what? There's nothing to screw into. I'll just sit there forever. And then that. Perfect. Then you hook up the fan, sort of, I guess. We need elevation. Elevation, imagination. Keep recording. Elevation. We need elevation. Don't ask why. If you ask why, I'll cut you severely.
Why?
I just will, okay? Dang it. I've discovered a great problem. It is severe and monstrous. And irritating almost. Banana cakes, that's the problem. Banana cakes is everybody's problem. Perfect, almost. And the screw, not the screw, this thing is supposed to go into there. Sort of. We'll leave that for last. Then we put the DDR RAM in there, right? Correctly. Damn it. This part is irritating because you got to push down on it hard. Perfect. Perfect. Now, we plug in hard drive, which means you gotta hook up the SATA cable, which goes like so into the wiggity wonkity computer hard drive. Now, we plug the hard drive in. Not the hard drive. What? Not the hard drive. This thingy. 24-pin power. There. Plugged in and powered. Now we gotta power the hard drive with one of these. Perfect. We just slide these cables off to the side, same as how I don't need them. Now we have the 4-pin CPU power. Now what do we need? We need to plug this stuff in, otherwise I won't be able to turn it on. There we go. We'll plug it in here. Perfect. Sort of. Now for the graphics card. Perfect. Now all we need is to get this stuff plugged in. Now for the terrible test. I'm a bit terrified.
What if that fan kind of like just propels off?
Is the fan turning? Spinning?
Yeah, I think.
It was for a
No,
split second.
it wasn't.
For a split second it was. Now all we have to do is hook it up to a display and
We'll have a flat computer.
hopefully in the bag.
Is it just me or is it not working? Oh, you're missing something.
I am missing something. Dang it! What am I missing? Absolutely nothing.
The speaker.
Plug in the speaker and see if that does anything.
Yeah, then the beeps will go and...
I don't know the beeps, so if
Yeah.
the beeps beep.
Well, if at least it beeps, we know something's wrong.
If it beeps, we know that something's wrong, and good. Need like a 50-pound weight powering it down, pushing this down. Yes, it's working.
I need the monitor and the thing.
Dang it, I don't have a... Dang it. Does it have a PSA? Dang it, doesn't have a PS2 input. And I don't have a keyboard, dang it. Anyway, it's on. That's all that matters. We got it working. I'm very proud of myself. Let's turn it off. And be proud of ourselves.